today's deep dive review of the 2026 Buick Enclave, a luxury SUV that blends premium craftsmanship, next-generation technology, and smooth performance into one impressive package. Whether you're a longtime Buick fan or just exploring your options for a refined family SUV, this one deserves your full attention. Let's explore what makes the 2026 Enclave stand out from every angle. From the very first glance, the Enclave looks more sophisticated and confident than ever before. Buick has clearly leaned into a modern, sculpted design philosophy with a wide-winged grille, signature LED daytime running lights, and an overall stance that's both elegant and muscular. The lines flow seamlessly from the front bumper through the sides, giving it an aerodynamic profile that feels both classy and commanding. Around back, the LED taillights have a sleek, connected light bar that enhances its futuristic presence, while the chrome accents and wide tailgate create a balanced premium look. Moving to the sides, the large alloy wheels, available in 20-inch and even 21-inch options, instantly elevate the SUV's road presence. The subtle chrome touches around the windows and door panels, along with its gently sloping roofline, create a fine balance between strength and style. The proportions are perfect for a full-size SUV, providing generous cabin space without feeling oversized or bulky. Step inside, and the Enclave greets you with a cabin that's clearly built around comfort, silence, and luxury. The 2026 model takes Buick's quiet tuning technology even further, using advanced acoustic insulation, laminated glass, and active noise cancellation to ensure that every ride feels calm and isolated from the outside world. Premium leather upholstery, ambient lighting, and a redesigned dashboard with a panoramic touchscreen setup give the interior a high-end, almost European feel. The large digital instrument cluster is fully customizable, and the infotainment screen now supports wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and over-the-air updates. Passenger comfort has always been a Buick strong suit, and the Enclave continues that legacy. With seating for up to 7, each row has been engineered for maximum space and flexibility. The second row captain's chairs offer generous legroom and reclining features, while the third row is now more adult-friendly thanks to improved seat cushioning and slightly reworked floor height. The hands-free power lift gate opens to reveal a massive cargo area, perfect for long family trips or hauling bulky items with ease. Under the hood, the 2026 Buick Enclave is powered by a refined 3.6-liter V6 engine that delivers around 310 horsepower and 266 lb-ft of torque, paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission. The engine provides a strong, smooth acceleration that feels both confident and composed, whether you're merging onto the highway or cruising through the city. All-wheel drive is available for those who need extra grip on wet or uneven roads, and the new adaptive suspension system ensures a well-balanced ride, absorbing bumps with ease while keeping handling tight and responsive. Fuel economy has also been slightly improved, thanks to optimized aerodynamics and intelligent engine management. The Enclave now offers a combined average of around 22 miles per gallon. Impressive for a full-size luxury SUV. For those looking toward the future, Buick has also hinted at a mild hybrid powertrain option on the horizon, which could make this SUV even more efficient and eco-friendly. Safety is another area where the 2026 Enclave truly shines. It comes loaded with Buick's latest suite of driver assist technologies, including adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and a surround view camera system. The head-up display projects key information onto the windshield, keeping your eyes on the road while giving you real-time data. There's also an enhanced night vision system available in higher trims, a rare feature in this class, that uses infrared sensors to detect pedestrians and animals beyond the reach of the headlights. On the tech side, the Enclave's new infotainment system is one of the most intuitive in its class. The high-resolution 16-inch center screen offers split-screen functionality, allowing you to view navigation and media simultaneously. Voice recognition has been upgraded, making it easier to control navigation, calls, or climate settings just by speaking naturally. Multiple USB-C ports, a wireless charging pad, and a premium Bose 12-speaker audio system make sure everyone on board stays connected and entertained. Driving the Enclave feels like gliding. It's not a sporty SUV, and it doesn't pretend to be one. Instead, it focuses on refinement, stability, and quiet confidence. The steering is precise, yet light, and the ride quality is buttery smooth, even over rough patches. This SUV is designed for people who appreciate calmness, comfort, and a touch of elegance in every drive. In short, the 2026 Buick Enclave is a polished blend of power, comfort, and sophistication. It's not the loudest or flashiest SUV on the market, but it's one of the most composed and thoughtfully built. It offers the kind of quiet luxury that doesn't need to shout to stand out. Perfect for families or professionals who want something upscale, reliable, and distinctly refined. If you're in the market for a premium 3-row SUV that offers modern design, advanced technology, a serene interior, and confident performance, the 2026 Buick Enclave should definitely be on your shortlist. It's Buick's most complete Enclave yet. a true reflection of how far American luxury has come.